In this course, you will submit all of your assignments to a Dropbox. And so it's very important that you learn how to create and submit your assignments. And so we have a practice one that we're going to take a look at here. And I have my 8 steps here on how to complete it. So step 1 says open a new Microsoft Word or Google Doc. And so I have a Microsoft Word document here that would work fine. Or I have a Google Doc right here. And so, we'll use Google Doc here for now. It asks you to title the document Personal Goals. And so I can go up to the title and I can call it Personal Goals. Okay. And then it tells me to copy the following questions into the document. So I want to take these 3 questions and I've already copied them. And so, to copy them, you would just go like this and copy. And if I go to my document, I will paste them in here. And so you don't have to retype the questions. You can just copy them if you like. And then I've got my 3 questions, and I want to answer my 3 questions. So I'll just kind of pretend here. And so for the first question, it says, what English skills would you like to improve this semester? So I would like to improve my grammar because ... And so let's pretend that I've answered all 3 of these questions. And if you're familiar with Google Docs, you know that it is automatically saving for me, right? And so let's pretend I've finished the 3 questions and I want to submit this. Okay? And so what I would do is I would click on the Dropbox, and in this case the Dropbox is right here. Here's a link for me, and I click on it. And it opens, and you'll see that the steps have been repeated here for you, so that you can refresh how to go about doing the assignment. And then if we go down to the bottom here, we want to click Add a File. And since it was a Google Doc, it's going to be saved in my Google Drive. If it was a Microsoft document, then I would have to search my computer, right? And I would find it on my computer. But since it's a Google Doc, I'll go to Google Drive. And you can see that it is the first one that pops up here right away, Personal Goals. And I'll click that, and I'll go Add. One thing I want to say before I add it, you'll notice that the website has converted the Personal Goals into a docx, so into a Microsoft file for us. Because the website prefers Microsoft Word. So if you're trying to submit a Google Doc, that's fine, but it actually converts it into a Microsoft document. And so then we go Add, and then we would go Submit. And that's it. The file has been submitted successfully. We can hit Done. And we'll get an email up here letting us know that the file has been submitted. One important note to make, though, is if you are going to use Google Docs, and I know most students do, what you need to do is you need to make sure that your My Tools to Go account, and I would use your My Tools to Go account, not your personal Gmail account. But I would use your My Tools to Go account to type out all of your assignments in Google Docs. And then what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to make sure that you have linked your My Tools to Go account. As you can see, I can check my own school board email, and I can get into my own school board Google Drive right from the course website because I've linked my school board account to the course website. If you don't do this, then you won't be able to submit Google Docs on the course website. It's very simple. What you do is you just go to the course homepage here, and you go down, and you'll see it'll ask you right here to link your My Tools to Go to the website, and you just follow the instructions and you can do it. If you need help doing that, please come into class and I can help you do it. Bring in your laptop or your Chromebook or whatever you use, and I can do it within seconds for you, and then it's no problem for the rest of the semester, and you can submit Google Docs easily. I hope that helps.